Another thing that caught my attention was that when I uploaded a image here, where is the thing that I want to look? When I upload an attachments, this is the request that uploads my attachments, and after that we can see here that it makes an upload, a patch on my message, changing the attachment URL here. So what happens when I get this same request that ran before and put, for example, a youtube.com bug bounty with Marco? For example, I will be putting another URL, this URL from YouTube, not a URL that the application is expecting. Okay, it answers me with a no content, and no content means that it probably was updated. Let me refresh my page. I can see that my URL changed. And what happens when I click this link? Oh, the link was correctly interpreted. Oh, I spelled my own channel name wrong. That's sad. Now I fixed it. And when I click, my channel will be opened. So, okay, does not appear to have any URL validation in this scenario. I can execute I can add any URL and try to exploit it here. A thing that I want to try is to add a JavaScript URL, JavaScript alert 1. And let's see what happens when I execute it. It appears to be vulnerable. Maybe. When I click it here, yeah. Now, what vulnerable do you mean? The URL being not sanitized, not validated. Okay, the URL appears to be rendered correctly here, my JavaScript URL, but when I click my XSS, don't want trigger. Let me see what happened here. Okay, understood what happened. Basically, the backend did not validate it, but React itself, as I said before, blocked a JavaScript URL as a security precaution. Blocked it here. That's why nothing executed in this case, because React is protecting the developer in this case. So that's the thing that I said. React has many built-in protections, especially against XSS. Maybe we can bypass it some way. Maybe we will need to take a look into deeper. But okay. This vulnerability I said, Vinaville, don't know how to say this right. It's basically a improper input validation. It depends on the scenario. Many bug bounty programs will not accept this vulnerability as it is, because you cannot achieve any impact with just uploading an intended URL in this case. But it's more like a thing that you want to take a look that will probably allow you to find different vulnerabilities. For example, in this case, I know that I can execute a JavaScript URL here, and when I execute the JavaScript URL, I can achieve an XSS. If an application does some kind of backend validation, we can, and it's not validating the URL that I'm putting here, basically you can maybe achieve an SSRF in this case, So I wouldn't personally report the vulnerability just because the application allows a user to send arbitrary values to the URL, but it's kind turns a light on my head to think that maybe some place will be vulnerable in this case. This video was recorded during our live stream that we're recording every Thursday night, so feel free to join us. And if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.